Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic transition using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project here and choose video based, and then I'm going to import my videos. Wait, let me search for my videos. Going to go to this menu and choose video. Okay, and then for the first video, I'm going to add this video. Click on next. Okay, and wait, let me delete the VN ending, and then we're going to go to the PIP option right here, and then I'm going to go to the photos, and I'm going to import my second video as an overlay. And then wait, let me select this option to fit the screen. Okay, and then we're going to go to the motion, and I'm going to choose the gradient motion, and I'm going to choose the gradient for this one, and then I'm going to increase the duration just a little bit. All right, and then I'm going to add mask. Wait, let me go back to the gradient and reduce the duration. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the mask. It's here, and then choose the mirror mask, and then I'm going to adjust the mask. All right, like this, and then I'm going to adjust it. Just keep adjusting, and I'm going to add keyframe here. We can click on this keyframe icon, and then I'm going to move to this position right here and add keyframe, and then I'm going to go back to the mask, and then we can adjust the mask like this. Wait, I'm going to make like open to transition. Sorry guys. Okay, and let's see how it looks. Okay, it's not smooth, so I'm going to adjust it again. Okay, and after the adjustment guys, this is for the final result. Basically, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Okay, and it will create something like this. All right, and I think it looks so cinematic. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic transition using VN Video Editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.